Music Mower today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a very nice 2019 Kubota BX2380 subcompact tractor loader. Guys, this tractor is in very nice condition. There's 528 hours on it. Does have your turf tire package. It's going to have an RCK 60 23BX 60-inch belly mower deck on it with an LA 344 swift attach front loader. Does have your 48-inch front loader bucket. Four-wheel drive power steering, category 1 3-point hitch. Guys, folding roll bar, very, very clean tractor. We're going to start here under the hood, take it completely around this tractor. Guys, most of you know who we are, know that we take the time here to service our stuff before we sell it. So this tractor has had a complete and full service done. All the filters and oils have been changed. Everything has been labeled. MSC, you'll see on filters, stands for Mark Supply Company, and that is us. So you know that stuff has been serviced and taken care of. Hood's in very nice shape. Does have your folding grill guard up front. Again, LA 344 swift attach loader, 48-inch bucket. It's going to have your turf tire package on it here. Rear tires are loaded. Deck's in very, very nice condition. Folding roll bar, SMV sign, 540 PTO, category 1 3-point hitch. Head to the other side. Over here, you're going to have a little cubby hole with cigarette lighter plug and cup holder. Here you're going to have your PTO selection. You got mid, you have rear, rear and mid, and just mid, PTO engagement. One nice thing on the Kubota, we can go here and we can set our mower deck to 3-inch deck height, and it'll mow 3 inches from here to California. I really like that option in the Kubota, how their deck adjusts. Over here, you're going to have your up and down for your 3-point, high-low range, 4-wheel drive in and out. You're also going to have your joystick loader control. Tractor itself, again, 528 hours. All the gauges work. Again, very clean, straight tractor, seats like new. We're going to go ahead, fire this tractor up. We're going to run it around, show you just everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. Drive out. That was low range, now we went to high. Guys, there it is. Headlights, turn signals, 4-ways all work, tilt steering wheel. Really good running, working tractor, guys. You got any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark's Supply Company. Let us help you with your subcompact needs. We'll be glad to help you out. Again, 814-658-3066. Have a great day.